In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell an NFT with no gas fees on OpenSea. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your collection, mint on the right blockchain, and list your NFT without paying transaction costs. The key is using Polygon on OpenSea, which supports gas-free minting and listing so you can get your work on the marketplace without upfront network fees. Start by planning to create your NFT on the Polygon network. Gas fees are the small charges paid to process blockchain transactions, and they can add up on other chains. On Polygon, OpenSea uses a gas-free flow for creating and listing, so selecting Polygon from the beginning is essential. If you accidentally choose a different chain, you can't switch that NFT later, so make this choice up front. Go to OpenSea.io and open Studio. Studio is OpenSea's built-in dashboard for making and managing collections and items. It's where you'll create the home for your NFTs and publish them in a way that's ready for gas-free listing. In Studio, click Create New, then choose Create Collection. A collection is like a folder and a brand page for your items. It's what buyers will see first and where your NFTs will live. Setting up the collection first keeps things organized and lets you apply consistent details across your items. Upload your artwork by clicking to upload or dragging and dropping your file. Use a high-quality image or media format supported by OpenSea. Give your collection a clear, memorable name so it's easy to find. For token symbol, enter a short ticker-style code, just a few letters, so your collection has a clean on-chain identifier. Keep it simple and recognizable. When you reach the chain setting, select Polygon. This is the step that ensures your minting and listing are gas-free on OpenSea. After reviewing your details, click Publish. Your wallet may prompt you to sign a message to confirm. This signature is free and simply proves you control the wallet. Once published, your collection is live and ready for items. Next, hover over your profile icon and click Profile to view your account. Open the Items tab to see your newly created NFT. Select the item you want to sell and choose List Item. Enter your listing details such as price and duration, then confirm the listing in your wallet if prompted. On Polygon, this listing process won't charge gas and your NFT will appear for sale on OpenSea right away. That's it, your NFT is live, gas-free, and ready for buyers.